Well, today happened. It was a mix of things. It was like it definitely had its good parts. I got paired up in a competition with someone who's become a good friend of mine on the show, and we made what I thought was a banger video. Very funny. We had a like a brand challenge today, and so yeah, we made the best video we could, and we had a great time doing it. It was in a new location, yada yada, whole shebang. Quite enjoyable, and it was down to the last two teams. It was between us and another one, and we didn't win it. And I gotta say, I was very frustrated, and just like in disbelief. The video that did win, just we were all kind of like, what? I don't know. And kudos to those creators. They're great. But damn, that was rough. That was rough. Can't believe we didn't win that one. Genuinely, like, come on. But oh well. It is what it is. Otherwise, though, today was I was in a good mood. We had our day off yesterday. Much appreciated. Very happy to have the day off. Got to do some shopping. Did some shopping for Christmas for Taylor and Lily. Excuse me. And yeah, happy with what I got. I got Lily it's like a little Hello Kitty thing from Sanrio. That was a huge recommendation that I go there. It's cool, cute little place. Bunch of really fun plushies. Little Tokyo in LA is very cool. It's this fun little microcosm. It's its own thing. It was a blast. Yeah. And I got Tay a little bit of little vintage jewelry at a couple of shops per Vince's recommendation. And no, it was cool, like exploring LA a little bit yesterday and kind of just like seeing what there is to see. Not that I had like a huge amount of time to sightsee, really. It was just I was doing laundry most of the like beginning of the day, and by the end I was just like getting the shopping and eating done that I needed to do. But it was fun. Had a great time. Yeah. I'm excited to get home. I know I feel like I've talked about it a lot, but I'm just excited to get back with my people. My family, my close friends back home. My own home. I miss my animals, my cats. Felix has started to turn gray. He's normally a little white cat, but I think he misses me. I think he's been turning gray, which is really sad. I'm like, no, buddy. Stay happy, stay healthy. But he like doesn't come out for anyone else. Like when Taylor and I call at night, he'll come out because he hears my voice on the speakerphone. And then he gets all like pissy with Taylor because he's like, where is he? Where's Dad? And then he goes back and hides in the closet again, under the clothes. He's cute, but I miss everyone. I got to talk to Lily last night, and Taylor, but I talked to Taylor morning and night, most days, but I didn't this morning, actually. I think she was still asleep. But Lily, I only rarely get to talk to pretty much on my days off. Because in the mornings, it's just she's getting ready for school. And then by night, she's already asleep. So the timing makes it hard, but I actually got to see her yesterday and talk to her. And it was cute. And I miss her a lot. I miss both of them a lot. Taylor's been fucking incredible. She's such an amazing woman. I'm so lucky to have her. She, we like to have our coffee, in the mornings, and when I'm in Austin, I tend to be the early riser. So I'll wake up in the morning, I'll make us both coffee, and so she wakes up to coffee, and then we'll, like, talk over coffee before we wake up Lily for school. But obviously I can't make coffee because I'm here, but we'll still, when I'm drinking my morning coffee, she's 2 hours ahead, so she's had a chance to get ready, take Lily to school. I've been up, so I get my workout in, and then we'll, like, post shower, we'll sit down and we'll talk while we're both drinking coffee in the morning. And it's a nice little continuation of a ritual that we have. And actually after this, I'm gonna be calling and talking to her. We talk at night. I like getting this done beforehand so that I'm not feeling pressured, like, when I'm on the phone with her, to be like, to get off the phone and, like, film this, because I really do want to stay consistent with this. Like, I like externalizing things and, like, getting used to kind of, like, breaking down that barrier and not being so cagey or weird about my emotions. And getting more used to, like, expressing things publicly. Yeah, I don't know. I was talking to Hugh earlier today, and we were just talking about some of the, like, our most viral videos. I was thinking back. A number of my most viral videos have been, like, me just talking about things that either I've gone through or that are, like, tangentially relevant to me or interesting to me. Like, my most popular video to this day is my video where I talk about getting a vasectomy. And it was relevant because Roe v. Wade had just been overturned. And just talking about the options that are on the table, you know? And kind of just putting out there that contraceptives and contraception isn't just the responsibility of the woman. It's also on the plate for men too. And if you already know that you don't want to have more kids, or any kids, more kids in my case, it's a perfectly viable option. It makes things way less stressful, you know? Especially if you live in a place like Texas. So yeah, there's that. And then I made a video talking about one of the scandals that Facebook was going through, but from the perspective of a creator, and a bit of a technophile as well. And that one did well. I had another video that I made talking about Dungeons and Dragons, some of the controversy that was going on there. And that popped off. So it was things that I like that were going on in the news where I was like, oh, this is something that either impacts me or I like or I think about or whatever. But yeah. Yeah. And so this is a bit of a way for me to, like, break down that part and feel more open to just talking about things that I like and I'm passionate about. And not, like, overthink it. Because people seem to like that. And I actually like consuming that content too. And that's the kind of connection that I want to have with my audience. It's like a deeper personal connection where people actually know and like me for who I am. And that involves, like, talking about things that I like and sharing things that are important to me. So I'm excited to do more of it. Peace.